Let's talk about Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. This guide will lay out all you need to know about Canva for use in education and includes some helpful tips and tricks to get the most out of it all. Open your browser and type canva.com in the address bar. It should open the Canva website. First of all, you need an account to work with Canva. If you want to create a new account, click Sign Up. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. You can create an account with Google or Facebook. I'm logging in because I already have an account. This is how your account is looked after login. Here you can see your recent projects. When you first time log into Canva, it will ask some simple questions. Now let's create a new document. You can create a new document by clicking this button. Also, there are some suggestions. There are several options like a custom size, image editing, and import. Now I am using a custom size. You can enter width and height in pixels. Also, you can change the length unit. And press this button. On the left side, you can see some templates also. You can search in the search bar. Imagine I need a presentation. For that, you can search it on the search bar. It'll give some suggestions. You can simply click this button to create a new project. Also, you can use a template from the list. There are so many filters also. If you see this $sign, it is a paid template. When you kept the cursor on a template for a while, you can see other slides also. To use a template, you can click on it. It will open the template in a new tab. You can customize everything in this template. On the left side, you can see the slides. To add a slide, you need to click on this plus sign. Then you can choose what slide you want and customize it. As you can see, my menu bar on the left is not showing some options to use. To get those options, click on More. It will show so many features in Canva and you can use them. You can add them to your menu bar by simply clicking on them. Click on the Elements icon in the menu bar. It will open the elements. You can search for any element in this search bar. In this case, I'm searching for a heart. As you can see, it shows all the elements related to the heart. To import an element, you can simply click on it. You can animate it. As you can see, there are lots of animations to choose from. Also, you can crop the element as you want. In this case, I don't want to crop, so I undo it by using Ctrl+Z. Are you interested in computer shortcuts? Make sure to watch this video. You can flip this element horizontally and vertically. Click on the Uploads button. There are so many options to import a file. You can upload images, videos, and audio to Canva. First of all, let's upload an image. Simply click on the Upload button. Now you can select the image file you want. I'm using my logo for now. As you can see now, it's importing. To add that image to our project, you can click on it. It will add the image to our project. On top, you can see some features. Let's click on Image Edit. It'll show up some image editing options to use, such as background removal, framing. Also, some of them are in the beta version. As an example, let's add a shadow to our image. If you are interested in other features, make sure to comment down below. Now let's upload an audio file located in the music folder. As you can see, our file is uploading to Canva. Let's add this to our project by clicking on it. As you can see now, our audio file is added to our project. You can play or pause it. Also, you can increase or decrease the volume. There are some audio effects also that you can use. Now let's upload a video file by clicking the Upload button. Now I'm choosing the video file, which is located in my Documents folder. Also, you can add this video to your project by clicking on it. To add text in Canva, go to the menu bar and click on the Text button. It'll show some font combinations. For Choose It, you can simply click on it. To add normal text, press these buttons. According to your purpose. I'm using a heading. To edit it, you can type what you want. It will automatically change the text. Let's edit the text. Make sure to select all characters in your text. You can increase or decrease the font size. Also, you can choose whatever font you want. Some fonts have a crown icon. It represents the paid options. You can change the font color also. You can bold text by clicking on this button. Also, you can italic. Unfortunately, my font can't italic. You can change alignment, list options, and spacing options also. I'll create a dedicated video for those. No, let's click on Effects. Let's add a text shadow to it. There are so many settings to play around with. Also, you can change the shape of your text. You can animate your text as you want. You can see more options by clicking on these three dots, such as underlining and text transformation. Go to the menu bar on your left side and click on the Photos button. It will show some commercial use photos. I need an image of a sea. For that, I'm using the search bar. As you can see, it shows so many results for the sea. Also, there are premium images. To add an image, simply click on it. You can resize it by dragging it with the border. Let's edit this image. I already talked about these features. Now I'm skipping it. You can crop this image also. After cropping, simply press on the Done button. Also, you can flip the image horizontally and vertically. You can add animation if you want. You can add a background by clicking on the Background button on Canva. There are lots of backgrounds to choose. You can search in the search bar. Once you find a background, you can click on it to apply it. You can edit, crop, flip, and animate this background. Also, you can change the transparency on the image. To add a chart, go to the charts in the menu bar. There are so many charts to choose from. Let's add this chart for now. You can change each value of a chart. You can change colors by clicking on these buttons. To change the spacing of columns, you can use this button. You can change the radius of each column using this. You can change the font size, font color, text effects, and animation. Now let's change some values of our chart. Now let's go to the chart settings. First, one is to show or hide the legend. This chart will show or hides the color representation of this chart. You can show or hide labels. Show or hide grid lines and ticks also. You can change the series type. I'm quickly creating another slide for this project. To download this project, go to the files and click on it. In the drop-down, scroll until you found the download option. On the right side, you can choose the file type and the pages that you want to download. After that, press the download button below. As you can see now, it is downloading. Let's open it and check. As you can see, our project is successfully downloaded. If you want to share this project, go and click the share button on the right side. In the drop-down, you can see some sharing options. Also, you can copy the project link to share your project. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new. If you are interested in another free-to-use graphic design software, make sure to watch this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. I catch you in the next video. Create creativity. Bye.